Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the repulsion start induction motor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, repulsion start induction motor. This, as mentioned, this motor start an ordinary repulsion motor, but after it reaches about 75% of full load speed, centrifugal short circuiting device short circuit its commutator. Thereby it will rotate as a induction motor. So only starting it is used as repulsion, thereby it is act as a induction motor. So this repulsion motor separate video available. Detail about the repulsion motor, full details are available. Link is given in the description box. So at the beginning it acts as a repulsion motor. After getting 75% of full load speed, because of centrifugal action, this short circuiting the commutator. From then on it ran as induction motor with a short circuited screw gauge rotor. Thereby it is act as a induction motor. After the commutation is short circuited, brushes do not carry any current. Hence, they may also be lifted from the commutator in order to avoid the unnecessary wear and tear and friction loss. So in repulsion motor, we have set of brushes available like a DC motor. So in this, after starting, it will act as a induction motor, so that these brushes are lifted from the commutator, so that we can avoid the unnecessary sparking, wear, tear and friction losses. So that is given, that is lifted to. Then we have the design. What is the two different design available in the repulsion start induction motor? Repulsion start motor are of two different designs. First one, brushes lifting type, in which the brushes are automatically lifted from the commutator when it is short circuited. These motors generally employ radial from of commutator and are built both in small and larger sizes. So in the first method, once the commutator is short circuited, automatically lifted, brushes are automatically lifted. In that we are employing radial from, generally employ radial from radial form of commutator and build with the small and larger sizes. Next one, brush riding type, in which brushes ride on the commutator at all the time. Here it is lifted, here it is riding. The entire process it is available with the commutator. These motor use axial form of commutator and are always built in smaller sizes. So this is applicable for small and large size. Here the brushes always available with the commutator, riding with the commutator. This is axial form, here radial form, and it's used for small sizes. Now we'll see the further detail. The starting torque of such motor is in excess of 350% with moderate starting torque. It's about 350%. It is particularly useful where starting period is of comparatively long duration because of high inertia loads. Its starting period is long duration, means we can use this motor. Application of such motor include machine tool, commercial refrigerators, compressor, pump, hoist, floor polishing and grinding devices, etc. So in this video we discuss about the repulsion start induction motor. At the beginning it acts as a repulsion motor. After getting 75% of speed, it acts as a induction motor. In that two types available. This repulsion motor, normally we are using brushes with commutation, with brushes are there. So the brushes are lifted after short circuited, brushes are lifted is the one type in the radial form of commutator using, that is applicable for small as well as large size. And another method is commutator, the brushes are always riding with the commutators, not lifted off. In that we are using axial form, but that is applicable only for small sizes. And also having high starting torque, because repulsion motor is having always starting torque is high. So here also starting torque is high. Then we discuss about the applications. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.